Hey there! Today I have a brand new subscription service that I'm trying, and it's FASHOM. So if you haven't heard of FASHOM, it is a pretty new subscription service similar to Stitch Fix and those others like Mix and Match and Wantable, etc. But they are very new, and I have seen a bunch of YouTube unboxings over the last year or so. They seem to have gotten a lot better, so I decided finally to give it a try. So we'll see what we get. But first, let's talk a little bit about this service since it's a new service. So similar to Stitch Fix, they'll send you 5 items of clothing, and this is based on a style profile that you complete online. And they do have a website now. Previously, it was just like an app-based service. So I actually signed up using the website, and it does take a while. I think mine took about at least a month for me to get my stuff. And what's different with FASHOM is that they'll actually send you a preview of, I think, 7 items, and from that preview you'll select the 5 that you want them to send to you. So like for this preview, I've already seen the items in the box, and I basically selected all tops. And then another thing is that's different, and this is actually nice, if you select 3 out of the 5 items, you get a 25% discount. So you don't have to keep all 5 to get the discount. And also regarding the styling fee, it's a $15 upfront styling fee which gets applied to whatever you purchase. But right now your first 2 styling sessions are free. So you can try it risk-free at least twice. So that's nice. And what I'll do is I'll put information about FASHOM in the description box below, and I'm sure I'll have a referral link or something. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay, so here's my box. It's actually a pretty light box because it's just gonna be 5 tops in here. And here's what it looks like inside when you open it up. They do have a prepaid mailer and a packet of information. And it says, "Hello, beautiful." That's nice. And let's take a look at the bundle. So here it is. You can't really see. Let's just open it up a bit. So there's my bundle. And here's the other side. And then let's see what we have in here. Oh, okay, so there is an invoice, and it does have pictures of all the items with the prices. Okay, so on the invoice there's a short note from my stylist, and my stylist is Megan. And she just says, "Thank you for styling with FASHOM for the first time. In this box, I selected an outfit consisting of comfortable yet trendy clothing items that will be the perfect new additions to your business casual wardrobe." Because I did tell her I was looking for business casual. "I hope you enjoy my picks." Okay, great. And they do have information about how this service works. So I do have 3 days to try everything on. Okay, and if I buy 3 or more items, I get 25% off. Okay, great. And also the mailer is USPS, which I like. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at all my items. Yeah, so with FASHOM, it's not a surprise because you get to actually select the 5 items that they send. So, but it is always a little different when you see something in a picture versus see it in real life, right? So this is the first item, and it's a sweater, and it's by Papermoon, and it is incredibly soft. It's really nice, actually. So you'll see it has these kind of purpley stripes, and it has a peplum bottom, and it looks like the sleeves are 3/4. So yeah, this is really cute, and I think I got everything in a size medium, and it retails for $28. So yeah, that's not a bad price at all for a sweater top. It does look on the big side, but we'll try it on and see how it looks. Okay, next. Okay, it's just like a basic top. And this is by Renee C. And this one is the black pattern blouse in size medium, and this retails for $30. So I'll show you this pattern up front. And it does have an interesting little kind of like a keyhole back, and it has this kind of split bottom. So I think this is just a very basic top for work. I don't know if it looks like something my mom might like though, to be honest. Okay, next. Okay, this is also by Renee C. And it's just a very basic top. It's knit, and it's kind of like textured. So this is the short sleeve knit top. size medium in black, and it's $32. $32 for this. I think also very basic. I can see this paired with black pants probably, and it has kind of an interesting sleeve detail, and it does look kind of like a shorter length, but yeah, I think this is cute. Okay, next is another top from Papermoon. Oh, this is very cute. I kind of like this. And this is the Papermoon Crescent Kaylee Babydoll top, size medium in navy, and it's $24. So $24 is not bad. So it's a 3/4 sleeve. It's a navy stripe. I like the detail on the sides that go all around to the back. It's kind of like a peplum, except in the front, straight in the front. Yeah, so cute. And lastly, my last top of 5. Okay, it's also by Papermoon. So I think of this batch I got, looks like 3 Papermoon tops and 3 Renee C tops. Okay, so this is like this. It's just another, looks like a polyester top. And it's just very basic, and it has a button detail on the shoulders and kind of a cute triangle print. And this is the Papermoon Triangle print top in medium in black, and this is $28. So actually very good prices on these, and remember I only need to keep 3 to get 25% off, so that's not bad at all. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first top. And yeah, very cute. Front top, it's a shorter length, and it has kind of an interesting sleeve detail.
I could wear that too.
Yeah, my mom is here. You could wear this. Yeah, I think you could. It's kind of almost like a sweater. It's a heavier weight knit. It's not bad.
Nice.
Pretty cute. Yeah. What do you think, Mom?
Very nice.
Yeah. Cute. And then I just have it paired with some black. These are actually joggers. So they're more dressy joggers. Yeah. So you could probably wear this to the office. But anyway. Okay. That's the first thing. Okay. So here is the second top. This one's a little longer. It's a little bit more flowy and oversized. And it has these gold buttons. So probably I should have worn a gold necklace, but oh well. But yeah, it's cute, and I just have it because it's Thanksgiving weekend, and it's kind of busy, and I have my mom right there. So I just pairing it with the same pants. But you could probably wear this. I think it would look really nice with white jeans. But yeah, I think this is cute. Not bad. Definitely something I could wear. I don't know if I'm wowed by it. What do you think, Mom?
It's really cute.
You like this one?
I can wear that too.
You can wear it. Yes, all these are definitely ones my mom can wear too. Okay, here's another top with a interesting kind of a batik, maybe kind of print.
And what kind of fabric?
I think it's polyester.
Oh,
Yeah.
washable.
So it's washable. Not bad. Short sleeve, very office appropriate, right? And just goes again with the black pants. Kind of basic. What do you think about this one, Mother?
It's very nice.
My mom says it's nice. Okay. So far she likes them all. Okay, here is the striped sweater with this peplum bottom. And it is kind of on the big side. I probably could have sized down. It is a very soft material, and it's a pretty color. Has like kind of a lilac striped. So yeah, I would say this is cute. And it's long, so you could probably wear it with leggings, or like I have it with skinny jeans, and I think that looks nice. But yeah, I just think it's a little bit oversized. Look cute. Yeah, Mom? Mm-hmm. Not bad? Not bad.
Okay.
Okay, so here is the last top, and I like this top. I think it's very cute, very basic. I like that this little peplum thing is on the side. It gives it some interest. I think it's kind of flattering, actually. And yeah, it's just a nice, soft, lightweight knit t-shirt material. And it goes well with my Stella and Dot Rebel pendant. But yeah, very cute and nice with jeans. Yeah. Good one. Yeah, Mom?
Yeah, I like
Is this
that.
the favorite?
Mhm.
Is this the best? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, really nice.
Okay. Okay, so I tried everything on, and yeah, I thought this was actually a pretty good box. Overall, not bad. So let's just go over the invoice real quick. So the subtotal for all 5 items is $142, and if I buy at least 3 items, I get 25% off, and the discount on the entire box would be $35.50, and the total would be only $106.50 for all of the 5 items. So that's, you know, a little more than $20 per item, so that's not a bad price at all. I think for me though, I probably won't be keeping all 5. I think my favorite of this box was this striped top. I thought this was really cute, and I think this would look nice with jeans or even like white jeans and possibly colored jeans. You know, I'd have to try it out with that. So I thought this was cute. It was nice, flowy, soft, and yeah, so I think this was a definite keeper, and this one was only $24, so that's not bad. I think there's 3 that I can at least keep. I did also like this. I thought this top was cute too, and I think this looks very nice with black pants and kind of professional. I might buy one and give it to my mother. I'm thinking this one. We'll see. She liked this, so I might gift it to her. We'll see. And there was also this one. This was cute too. But anyway, so let me know what you thought of the clothes and if you've tried FASHOM and what you think of the service. I was actually very pleased, and I think it's definitely something I'll give another try to. I'll have at least one more box that I can request without a styling fee, so I think that makes it worth checking out again. So yeah. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and I am kind of behind in my filming. I have my mom's visiting. You know, it is Thanksgiving weekend, and she noticed I have all this stuff. I ordered some stuff from ThredUP, so I've got a ThredUP haul. I've got another Stitch Fix box. I've also got stuff coming in from Walmart. I really like the Ellen stuff that I got in my last haul, so I decided to order a few more things from Ellen's line, and so we'll see. But yeah, so I do have a lot of stuff coming up, so hope to get my filming and editing and all that stuff done soon. So anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.